Welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about compound sentences. And from my understanding, this is actually going to be a review for you guys. So remember, compound sentence is made up of two or more sentences joined by a coordinating conjunction. Now, we've previously done this by just using the comma and, but last year you guys learned fanboys. So for these examples, we are actually going to use some of these to make our corrections. So let's take a look. And remember, once again, a compound sentence are two or more simple sentences or complete sentences that we're going to put together with a coordinating conjunction. And here's some examples that we're going to work with. Notice that all 6 of our examples have simple sentences, and we are going to use coordinating conjunctions to connect them and make one beautiful compound sentence so that our reading and writing can get better. Let's take a look at number 1. Number 1 says, Charlie walked to class, Amelia ran to class. So, an easy way to fix this is with the comma and, the one that we just talked about a few weeks ago. So that's the one we're going to use first. I'm going to start over here. So we're going to say Charlie walked to class, comma, and there's that coordinating conjunction, Amelia ran to class. There you go. See, these are things that you did last year. So we're just kind of reviewing again to keep it fresh on our mind because we're doing a lot of writing this year, aren't we? Let's take a look at the next one. I forgot my supply box. I do not have a pencil. So we have several of them that we can choose from. And what I like to do is kind of go through my head and kind of put some of these in place. But I don't want to use the comma and because we've already used this one. So let's try a couple. I forgot my supply box. For I do not have a pencil. Might make sense. But there might be a better one. Let's see, I forgot my supply box, nor I do not have a pencil. I don't know about that one. I forgot my supply box, but I do not have a pencil. I don't know about that one either, but I don't know. If I don't have my supply box, I probably don't have a pencil. I forgot my supply box, or I do not have a pencil. Maybe, but there might be a better one. I forgot my supply box, yet I do not have a pencil. No, I don't think so. I forgot my supply box, so I do not have a pencil. That one makes sense. So I'm going to use so on this one. So let's write that down. I forgot my supply box, comma, so I do not have a pencil. I noticed my original sentence did not have a period, so I'm going to make sure my new one does. Let's take a look at the next one. Our team tried really hard. We lost the game. I bet the kind of same thing happened to you that just happened to me. When I read this, I just automatically wanted to put the but in there. So I think that's the one that we're going to use. So we're going to say our team tried really hard, but we lost the game. Because I think that's just kind of something that just naturally fits. Our team. That doesn't look right. Our team tried really hard. Oh. Did it again. really hard, but we lost the game. I ran out of space, so I had to go down. If you still have space, you can keep going. But if you noticed, I had to take that capital we and turn it into a lowercase we, because now it's a part of the sentence, and we don't capitalize we unless it's the first word in the sentence. So let's take a look at the next one. We can eat pizza for dinner. We can eat hot dogs for dinner. I bet you y'all have these conversations at home a lot, and I'll bet you naturally wanted to put the word or in, so that's the one we're going to use. So we're going to change this one, and we're going to say we can eat pizza or hot dogs for dinner. There we go. See, that just seems like it's a sentence that flows a little bit better than those we can eat pizza for dinner, we can eat hot dogs. Let's try the next one. We did not study. Nope, not we. I apologize. It says I did not study for the test. I got a bad grade on the test. I think this one kind of has a natural fanboys as well, and I think we all know which one it is. Which one do you think it is? Yes, it's so. So we're going to use it. I did not study for the test, comma, so I got a bad grade. There we go. One more. Oh my goodness. I love to eat candy. I love to eat donuts. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of love both of those things too. So what can we do? Yes, and is going to be the best one in this case. Let's go ahead and write that one. I love to eat candy and donuts. Look at that. Now I want you to take a moment and glue this into your grammar journal onto page 18. That is my next available page. Yours might be 17, but it needs to be the next available page in your grammar journal because this is going to be very useful to refer back to anytime we want to do some writing. So, again, go ahead and glue this onto page 18 in your grammar journal and then continue with the practice questions.